So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 1st of December for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. The roles can be reversed also, and the action can be from your side also. Please keep that in mind. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can book your slots via the links given in the description box. And if you have any queries, you can mail us on the modernsannyasini@gmail.com. Now let's start. Okay, Pisces, the person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Wands. By the way, the Wheel of Fortune came before this Hanged Man. That is why I took it first, okay? Now, the Wheel of Fortune, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Wands. Cool. See, too hurt to take any kind of action in this direction, and too hurt to even let it go. It's like they're telling me they're like a wounded warrior right now who is trying their best to move on from the situation as far away as they can, but at the same time, they're too hurt to even take the first step towards this energy of moving on from the situation completely. But at the same time, they're very determined. No matter what, I'm going to move on. Yeah. So they're waiting for the time when they will be able to get out of this feeling stuck in the situation, when they will be able to get out of this feeling of feeling like a wounded warrior. Right now, this person is being very defensive. Even if you're going to say something good to them, they are going to behave like a complete mess. It's like they are going to melt down or something, emotional breakdown or something, because they are so hurt right now at this present moment. I don't know what happened, but right now they're so hurt that they might end up hurting you also, if even if you're going to say something beautiful or something healing to them. Let them heal, let them come back to their normal energies, and then maybe you can try. But right now they're like a wounded warrior who is hurt beyond words. They're trying their best to move on, but they are not able to do that. But they are just in this energy of trying and trying, getting nothing out of it. Let's see what this person wants from you. We have the Eight of Pentacles, the Page of Swords, the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, see, they want to put in the effort and energy in order to get away from the situation, feeling left out in the cold, feeling not worthy of love, as if the whole world is falling apart. They are not able to step up. See, this person is right now going through the major victim mode. We all go through that. Let's normalize this term, being in the victim mode. We all of us go through that at least once in a lifetime. This person is going through the victim mode of, why the hell it keeps on happening with me all the time, why the hell I keep on attracting these kind of energies towards me all the time, where I am continuously getting betrayals and losses and breakups and separations. So they want to detach themselves from this feeling of being in the victim mode and work on themselves regularly so that they can step up and grow in their life, step up and grow in their life. Right now, this is their only agenda. Not very much focused on love and relationship, very much focused on this energy of coming out of this victim mode and self-pity mode and working on themselves as deeply as they can so that they can heal properly. That is their agenda right now. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 1st of December. We have the Four of Wands, the Nine of Cups, the Moon card. Wow. Too scared to take any kind of action, too scared to not to do anything about it. This person is going through a phase of confusion, of back and forth energies, of a lot of this energy of, I'm scared, I'm too scared, I don't know what I want to do something about it, but I don't know what and how and when. And then in itself is creating a lot of chaos in their mind, in their heart and soul. And even if they are pretending to be okay, this person is going through a major period of transformation and change that is very painful to deal with, but they're trying to be okay as much as they can. So they are in this energy of they're not okay with letting you go, but at the same time they're not okay with being with you. So they are struggling to let you go completely. So from time to time they get this energy, this vibe of okay, I should be with Pisces, but then again their energy turn into this kind of fear and energy of this is never going to happen. So let them go. That is why this person is not doing anything about the situation even if they want to. That is the dilemma and the energy chaos they are going through. My goodness, God bless their soul. Guidance for you, the Hierophant. Okay, see honey, you have to take the spiritual route here. Even if you are the most known spiritual person on earth, you have to take the spiritual route here, meaning you have to be the bigger person here. You should forgive and forget and move ahead. Send them blessings and love and compassion from your side as much as they can. Now if they did something horribly wrong, I can understand some people does that. Then also forgive them. I'm not saying you to love them, I'm saying you to forgive them. I'm saying you to send them compassion, because hurt people. Those people who don't know, who don't understand the true meaning of love, they hurt others. You have to be the bigger person here. The universe wants you to teach how to be a bigger person, how to forgive and move ahead for your own for your own sanity, for your own growth. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.